Compared with traditional LED display screens, floor tile LED display screens have adopted special designs in terms of load-bearing, protection performance, and heat dissipation performance. The purpose is to enable the floor tile screen to adapt to high-intensity stepping and long-term stable operation. The box is suitable for 250 by 250 mm modules. The mask adopts a raised design to enhance the wear resistance of the module surface, and the protective rubber ring increases the waterproof performance. High protection cabinet design, IP66 dust and water resistance. The back cover can be opened, and the power supply and receiving card can be easily maintained. The load-bearing capacity of the LED display screen exceeds 2000 kg per square meter in SUV car, and good load-bearing capacity is the key to ensure the normal operation of the display equipment. These are the footings, one is large and the other is small. The large one can support up to 4 points, while the small one can support up to 2 points. The role of the golden protrusion on the foot is positioning and fixing, and the screw is used to adjust the level. Do not insert the screw into the hole. Now let's demonstrate how to install 4 feet. When installing the small foot, we only install one positioning column, and the other positioning column can be used to install other LED floor tile screens. When installing the large foot, we only install one positioning column, and the other 3 positioning posts can also hold 3 LED floor tile screens.